Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make a professional logo. So the platform that we're going to use to do this is called Canva, and access to Canva is through a link in the description to this video down below. So if you give that link a click, that'll take you to a free trial version of Canva, which you can utilize for completely free. And you just need to log in with your email, and that'll allow you then to give yourself a digital file with a logo and no watermark or nothing like that in it at the end. So once you've logged into Canva, if you search at the top here for the word logo, you can see then that that'll give you access to a huge library of logo templates. So using the categories at the top or some of the filters on the left hand side, narrow down that search and find a logo which closest suits your needs. Okay, so spend a bit of time browsing what's available, and like I said, find a logo. There'll be something in here somewhere that is very close to what you need. Okay, so once you found that logo, then give it a click and then hit customize this template. Also, when you've clicked the logo, it'll show you logos that are associated with that. So if you like something, give it a click and it'll show you things that are similar to it as well. Okay, so we'll go with that one there, for example, and then just hit customize this template there. Okay, so that'll then open the editor where you can modify all manner of things. So background, for example, if you just give that a single click, you can see that in the toolbar at the top, now I've just got this color swatch, which you can change, and you'll see that those effects take place live on the image. The image there is something that you can edit with effects, and you can also delete it hitting that little button there if you don't want it. Text then, for example, when you click that, that'll allow you to change the font size and the color of the text. And if you don't want something like that little subtitle there, just hit the little trash icon when you've got it selected. Double click the text to select it, and that'll allow you then to modify it and type in whatever you need to, like that. And you've got elements on the left hand side, which gives you access to their library of graphic images, which you can drag and drop straight onto your image like that. And uploads is where you upload your own images from your local space, and then text allows you to bring in more text from a template as well, then if what you've got there isn't enough already. So yeah, it's that simple really. So the key is finding that template and then modifying it to suit your needs. And then once you've got that and you want to download it as an image, hit share in the top right hand corner, hit download halfway down there, and then that'll allow you then to choose the file type that you need. Leave it at 500 by 500 unless you need something significantly bigger, and you'll have to use pro mode to utilize that anyway. And then once you're happy with it, hit download, and that'll give you it as an image file on your local device. So like I said, there's a link in the description for this video that'll take you to a free trial version of Canva. So if you want to give that a go now, give it a click. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.